What's up, guys? All Florida, all products. We do what? We do it all. So, guys, this is the thing. It's the weekend. We ain't got nothing else to do. We going fishing today. So, we got the kayaks loaded up. We got the vest. We got some snacks. We even got the Coke and the Red Bulls for energy. So
yeah, man.
This guy here, he said we gonna catch some fish today.
Yeah.
So I just downloaded this new app, and looks like I might be able to find some good fishing spots. So let's see what happens. Game on. Hey guys, just out here fishing and hanging out, doing a little water sports. Got Mr. Jordan right there.
Hi, fishing.
Over here tied off in the kayaks, just having a good time. Somebody's building a house over there. When we got out here, the water was still going out, and I believe it's all the way low, about to come back in. So the spot we put in, it has like 24-hour activity and access over there. So we could actually stay out here till dark if we wanted to, but the problem is we ain't got no lights. So it's about 5:30 in the evening, and I believe it gets dark since time change and everything. It gets dark about 7:30, right, Jordan?
Yes.
It gets dark about 7:30?
Yes.
Yeah, sounds about right. So yeah, I have Jordan keeping up with these different things as far as the tide schedule and what else, Jordan? What kind of bait we need to use.
Yeah. Make sure we have food and water to drink.
Right. Yeah, he's responsible for all that. Making sure we have snacks and food and water. It's kind of like survival out here. You get out here on one of these kayaks, so yeah, make sure you got all your necessary things on the kayak, before you launch. What do you say, Jordan? It's like what?
Feels like Peter Jackson's King Kong out here.
Feels like King Kong?
Yeah.
Oh shoot, we got a boat coming.
Oh.
We better spin around. Where you going, man? You're passing me.
Going back.
Going back where?
Back to the shelter.
What? The shelter?
Yeah, bro.
Did you catch anything? Huh? You strolling or what? What you got in that cooler?
I got nothing.
You got any cold drinks? A couple rotten crabs?